how to log into your Bybit account on your mobile phone. So before we begin, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Alright, so first thing you want to do is install the Bybit app from your Google Play Store or your App Store. And once you've installed the app, let's launch the application. Now you will be greeted by something like this. If you already have an account, you can log in from here, but if you're new, you can sign up and follow the steps on screen to complete your sign up. I'm just going to tap on login now. Now you have two options. You can either log in from your email or your mobile number. If you've used your email to log in, you can enter your email and your password, then you should easily be able to log into your account. But I have used Google to sign up, so I'm just going to tap on Google and choose my account. Once you've chosen your account, it will take some time to load and it will verify your account. As you can see, it's saying intelligent verification. You will have to complete a CAPTCHA puzzle to complete the verification, and it was a success. So now I have been logged to my account. If I tap on the profile icon at the top left, as you can see, I have been logged into my account. And that's how you can easily log into your Bybit account. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.